Hello, I'm Christian, the co-founder of ITeens.
And I'm Caroline, also the co-founder of ITeens.
Starting in 2020, ITeens was founded and created to assist senior citizens by teaching them technology courses.
During the COVID-19 worldwide pandemic, we saw the need to assist all of our community with their technological questions and devices.
While staying home, people rely on communication tools like Zoom and FaceTime to connect with each other, but often do not know how to effectively use them.
We do our best to help others who are not as aware of these technological resources.
So ask us questions through our website at iteens-tech.org or email us at iteens.help@gmail.com. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Christian.
And I'm Caroline.
Thank you so much all for coming.
Today we will start our presentation with a tutorial.
Today's tutorial will be focused on the Google Suite.
Once we're done, we will move into a private one-on-one session to answer any questions.
At any point, if you're waiting to ask your question,
please be patient and we will work on getting you into a one-on-one room.
Before we start, does anyone have any questions? At this point, you can unmute yourself if you do.
We will now begin the tutorial. Please remember to keep your mic muted while we are presenting. Thank you. Introduction. Before we begin, this presentation will be split into two tutorials. The first tutorial will be today, and the second part will be next week. You can sign up for the second tutorial next week on www.iteens-tech.org.
Google has a variety of software tools that you can use to work, edit, or collaborate by yourself or with other people. These tools are accessible through the internet, making it accessible virtually anywhere from any device, which is very useful now more than ever. Some of these tools include Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Forms, and Google Sheets.
To organize these software tools, Google has used a software umbrella called Google Drive. In this tutorial presentation, we will mainly cover Google Drive.
What is Google Drive? Using your own email account, you can store files and documents in your own personalized platform. Think of it as a filing cabinet, but much more. You can create folders to organize documents and share them virtually with friends, family, and colleagues. As default, you get 15 gigabytes of storage, but you can always upgrade for more. First, we'll show you how to access your own personalized drive with your Google account.
How to access Google Drive. Step 1. Open the Google application and click the little waffle in the top right-hand corner. Or you can just type in drive.google.com in your browser and skip the following steps.
Step 2. Click the Google Drive icon that pops up after clicking the waffle. If you type the link in the browser, you do not need to do this step.
On the left-hand side, this is where you can access your main controls like your Drive, Shared with Me, and Recents.
The most recent documents you have been working on will be in the Quick Access section.
Right below the Quick Access section is where you can access your folders.
Lastly, at the bottom is where you can access all your general files and/or documents. These can be any files like your Google Docs, Slides, and PDFs.
Folders on Google Drive is very useful for organizing documents and collaborating with others. Here are steps to create folders.
Step 1. Access Google Drive by following the previous steps.
Step 2. Click plus New in the upper left-hand corner.
Step 3. A menu will open, allowing you to choose from which Google file application you would like to use. For this tutorial, we will be using Google Folders.
Step 4. You will then have to name your folder. We recommend names that best describe the content you will be storing. Finally, press the blue Create button.
Your Google folder is now complete. You can now insert documents and access the folder at any time.
This is the first part of our tutorial on how to use Google Suites. Next week, we will go more in depth on how to use different applications within Google Suite. Thank you for joining us today. Are there any questions?